Title: Unveiling the Book of Alchemy, a creative practice for an inspired life. A serene sunrise, golden rays streaming through a leafy canopy, sets the stage for our journey. A beautifully bound book titled The Book of Alchemy lays open in the foreground. Voiceover: Hello, dreamers and seekers. Welcome back to our channel, where we explore paths to personal growth and creativity. A gentle transition shows our host sitting comfortably by a window, the morning light illuminating her face as she picks up the Book of Alchemy. Voiceover: Today, we're diving into the Book of Alchemy, an intriguing guide that bridges ancient wisdom and modern creativity. It invites us to embark on a transformative journey, not just for self-discovery but also for cultivating an inspired life. Voiceover: Through practices such as
Title: Vegan Diets, Unleash the Power of Plant-Based Nutrition. A vibrant, sunlit kitchen filled with fresh fruits, vegetables, and wholesome plant-based dishes sets the stage. A friendly chef stirs a colorful stir-fry while a smoothie blender whirs in the background. Cheerfully, hello, food lovers. Welcome back to our channel where we celebrate delicious, nourishing meals that fuel your body and soul. Today, we're diving into the world of vegan diets. So, grab a seat at the table as we explore the incredible benefits and tantalizing flavors this lifestyle has to offer. A seamless cut reveals a beautifully arranged plate of vegan sushi rolling across the screen. Enthusiastically, first off, let's discuss why so many people are embracing vegan diets today. Not only do they promote ethical treatment of animals and environmental sustainability, but they also offer numerous health benefits. Vegan diets are packed with essential nutrients like fiber.
Title: Embracing Simplicity, a Journey into Minimalism. Opening scene: The video begins with a serene sunrise, gentle music playing in the background. A voice, warm and inviting, speaks over the soft melody. Friendly feminine voiceover: Good morning, dreamers. Welcome to another inspiring journey here on our channel. Today, we're diving into a world of intentional living, minimalism. Transition scene: A smooth transition to a minimalist apartment filled with only essential items, showcasing an organized space filled with peace and tranquility. Main story point 1: Minimalism is more than just decluttering. It's about simplifying our lives, focusing on what truly matters, and living intentionally. It encourages us to question our consumption habits, leading to a more mindful lifestyle. Main story point 2: By embracing minimalism, we not only declutter our physical space but also free ourselves from unnecessary mental clutter. This allows us to focus on experiences, relationships, and personal growth. Closing scene: The video ends with a bird's-eye view of a bustling city at sunset, implying that even amidst chaos, minimalism can be practiced and bring peace. Uplifting ending sentence: Embrace the simplicity, find your peace, and let your journey towards intentional living begin. Remember, every step towards minimalism is a step closer to a more meaningful life. Stay tuned for more inspirational content here on our channel. Title: 100 Push-Ups a Day Challenge, Empower Your Fitness Journey. A vibrant, sunlit room with a fitness enthusiast in the center, demonstrating a perfect push-up. Upbeat music plays softly in the background. Hello and welcome to our channel. Today we're embarking on an exciting journey together, the 100 Push-Ups a Day Challenge. As the camera pans out, we see various people of different ages and fitness levels joining the challenger, encouraging each other. This challenge is designed to help you build upper body strength and endurance while improving your overall fitness level. Aiming for 100 push-ups daily will not only boost your physical abilities but also your confidence. We'll provide a variety of effective routines tailored to different skill levels, ensuring everyone can participate and progress at their own pace. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced fitness enthusiast, this challenge has something for you. By the end of our 100 push-ups a day journey, we'll all be stronger, healthier, and more. Title: Embrace the chill, cold showers for a refreshing morning routine. A sunny morning, the dew glistening on lush green leaves. A crisp breeze gently rustles through the trees as a cheerful bird chirps in the distance. The camera pans into a cozy, minimalistic bathroom adorned with natural elements, wooden accents, plants, and a large glass shower enclosure. Good morning. Are you ready to start your day off on a refreshing note? Let's talk about the invigorating benefits of cold showers. The camera transitions to the shower, with a person stepping into the cool water stream, exhaling a visible breath. The scene fades to show the same person, now awake and energized, sipping a cup of coffee in the morning light. Cold showers have been gaining popularity for their numerous benefits. For one, they can help you wake up faster and boost your mood by stimulating circulation and releasing endorphins. Additionally, cold showers are believed to strengthen the immune system and improve overall well-being by helping to regulate body temperature. They may also aid in reducing inflammation and improving recovery after intense workouts. The camera returns to the shower, showing a group of friends laughing and enjoying their invigorating morning routine together. The final shot is of the sun rising over the horizon, casting a warm glow as the day begins. So why not give cold showers a try? Embrace the chill, feel refreshed, and start your day off with an energizing boost. Until next time, take care and be well.